Okay, let's take a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I have completed. Now I have completed recently my degree. Now I am taking classes of from you.
Okay, let's go on. What is the importance of gifts?
Gifts are gestures of love. They strengthen the bonds of friendship, bonds of relationship, and they might give happiness to the special ones. Uh,
Okay, so you have to speak all these sentences properly in one go, not in small parts. And the word is gesture, not gesture.
gesture.
Gesture,
Okay.
right? Okay, let's go on. Is there any pressure on us to buy gifts?
It depends on the situations and it depends on the persons where you present and where you give the gift to the persons. If I want to buy a gift for the other gender, like women, and I do not know how to buy and how which gift I want to buy and which gift should I present them, so it's difficult for me to select one the gift.
Okay, you did not properly link your answer with pressure. Pressure means you must buy a gift. There must be expensive gift for that person. So, is there any pressure on us to buy gifts? Yes, sometimes there is pressure on us to buy gifts, especially if we have already received a gift from that person. Like, for example, if someone gives you a mobile phone as a gift and then it is his birthday, so you have to think about something that is equally valuable. So, yes, I think there is pressure, especially when we are going to exchange gifts. In that situation, there is pressure on us. So, link it with pressure, right? Let's go on. How often do you buy gifts for others?
Usually I do not often. Usually I often buy a gift for
I
the other person.
usually don't buy gifts for others.
Uh, but it depends on the situations, like if the friend has a birthday, then I usually give them a gift.
Okay. Do you like to send expensive gifts?
Now I am a student, I do not have enough money to send in expensive gifts, but I send them a little expensive gift.
Okay, I send economical gifts.
Economic.
Right. What kinds of gifts are popular in your country?
Mm, Everything is important
Now,
in
this
our.
doesn't link with the question. What kinds of gifts are popular in your country? In my country, perfumes are very popular as a gift. People give perfumes. On the other hand, flowers. Then you can talk about sweets. So, just like that. So, what kinds of gifts are popular in your country?
In our country, gifts are different. Gifts are very important. Like on the especially day, you send them a sweet, and as in my city, like sweet is very special and is famous. So I send them as a gift to other my colleagues and like other students and
Okay,
teachers.
so there must be clarity, proper organization in your answer. One last question. Why do people send gifts?
As gifts are gestures of love and they strengthen the bonds of relationship, bonds of friendship. So we should also send them a gift because it's a love, it's a tokens of love. So we should uh, give gifts to other
Okay,
persons.
that's good. So just try to organize your answer, link your sentences together, speak fluently, and you'll be fine. Right? Thank you.